wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, we back in this bitch with another banger video here. You already know what time it is, yo. Yo, that mafia. I see what we are dealing with today. We're back here with Bobby himself. Yeah, man, we're talking about none other than Skippa the Flipper. Yeah, man, and the one entitled Duppy Passport. The last track we reacted from Skippa was All Along. You feel me? That was a little bit more like, I would say a little bit more sentimental, a little bit more sad than Skippa's normal tune them. You see me? And before that, we also listened to his interview where he talked about how it all started and how he all began on music and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, the last song All Along is just a little more sentimental, talking about the struggles and all along when believe he was gonna make it, all that good stuff. It was a little bit more deeper, a little more dark, a little more sad than Skippa normal song them. But he got drop a new track and a new video. We're gonna see what I deal with today. See if he's back to his old style, if he's keeping on the same path, or he's switching it up, But yeah, man, gang, you already know we're gonna all up the vibes, we're gonna jump in the chat. But before we do that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you check out the page, check out the Discord, man. Link is in the description. We'll leave it over there. You can talk to me directly and send me videos. You already know. But yeah, man, we're back with Skippa, the one named Duppy Passport. And y'all probably wonder, yo, what the fuck is a Duppy Passport, dog? I want that, dog. Duppy Passport. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna check it out and see what I talk about. No, Duppy Passport. When people talk about Duppy Passport, somebody like, yeah, Duppy Passport mean they gonna kill your ass. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna send you to the other life. You know what I'm saying? Cost free. Fast too. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, but we're gonna check it out. That's what Skippa deal with today, man. Yeah, so we're not gonna go vibe much longer. We'll jump right in and trap. This is Skippa Duppy Passport. Let's get it, gang. Yo, dog, them a load up the thing and they want a dog. Shit. The blood climb a load of clip your favor. Blood climb is gay. Yo. You Duppy fly when me squeeze up your toe, your granny blow on me. What? Eat the man blood clot. I already told you what this was gonna be based on the title, man. I already know you're gonna talk about some murder thing, some bad man thing, some shoot. You know what I'm saying? But you heard that I said, okay, here. You see me? It can't cool. You see me, man, say you Duppy fly when me press up your hat tool. Yo, squeeze up a trigger, your granny drop off a stool, brother. This nigga that played on the trap, but yo, that's fire, dog. They want to look like God, you see me? Murder she wrote. And the man put his 16 pound sport. You see me now and say every bullet a race out of that, man. You know what I'm saying? Come in. I'm gonna put the 16 passport. Rhyme jelly, me no need no scope. Easy now. Buckley, the Duppy gone when the copper ignite him, Bombay. You see me? Tell us that's what I mean by Duppy Passport, man. Hey, keep going hard on this one. Come on. So in the bar with fear, pussy for no alone, kill around here. So fuck around, put the Duppy in the air, make it clap, change gear. They know no par with fear, nigga, a real killer around here. So fuck around and put the Duppy in the ear, brother. I'm tear man. Tell him no Skippa. Pop shoot me steer. Me notice 7 months dead, this a fun. Don't kill a tree, I just start touch one gun. But me ever make you know if you see a friend pound ground. I just a gap and fucking flatter like him now no lungs. So dark, I'm rolling for shows, Skippa feel like God when him touch. You see it say, yo, some boy do it for fun. You see me start got bad since he start touch one gun. You see me tell you see a friend a drop a gun and a you see me a gap one blood dog. I up to them man come in, talk to him.
Bertis, Bandons, Joe, last couple screw. I saw my chip in a brain. Lift up it like I make it kick in a brain. I be a Duppy fly down when me pitch in a speed.
Class. So me sick in a brain. Lift up big like I make it kick in a brain. Yeah, easy la man.
I saw my chip in a brain. Lift up big like I make it kick in a brain. I be a Duppy fly down when me pitch in a speed. They are fifth with the jump, just a fuck up a lane.
Easy la man.
Me nah laugh with them. Them love drink, them love party friend. Me 9x19, just a half.
Nah, laugh with them, them love drink, them love party friend. I'm telling 9x19, I ask them, man, I can't name them food, man. Name them food, Duppy passport, them I get, that's it.
Rifle breeze and party, man, can't call. Yeah, Duppy fly when me pussy at all. Bullet up a gun and shit up off I stole.
Listen to man, that line, mad. You see me, can't call. Yeah, Duppy fly when me give up the at toll. Kill on your granny and she drop off I stole. Come you know.
Rifle breeze and party, man, can't call. Yeah, Duppy fly when me pussy at toll. Bullet up a gun and shit up off I stole. And nothing new, man, about France cold breeze gun pound foul. Man, I tell her, say I murder shit.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, Skippa is next up, gang. No cap. Skippa, you next up, gang. Shout out to Skippa. Skippa showed my love, you know what I'm saying? You came on the channel and showed my love. So shout out to Skippa, man. But Skippa definitely next up, bro. You feel me? Man got the style and the wave, bro. You see me? I say, I know young you then gravitate towards him. Skippa, you next up. So keep making some great moves, bro. And, bro, yeah, man.
Put the 16 passport. Time jelly, me no need no scope. That one I make brain float. That's why my love call it the Duppy passport. So fuck around and now I'm gonna be lucky. Me and me kill a tag team on the Duppy every bob to a Glock.
Easy now, boy. Once I go on town now, I'm gonna be lucky. Me and me kill a tag team on the Duppy. I want to know. Hear that, say. Come in.
Love call it the Duppy passport. So fuck around and now I'm gonna be lucky. Me and me kill a tag team on the Duppy. Every bob to a Glock when a pie with Chucky.
Every bob to a Glock with a par with Chucky. Come in, gang. Listen to that. You hear that, gang? With a par with Chucky. Hey. Sweepstakes by gun. Man says sweepstakes by gun with a par with puppy. I want to know my yacht. I want to mean about my banging line chapel and a BR artillery dog to buy up. You see me?
I want to do what? Every time spent capture that board of you clock, push I do a die, clock chip for cho.
You see that one? Glock chip for cho. Yeah, what's about the Glock chip for cho, you see me? Man, I go PK man, blood bleed. You see me?
Capture that board of you clock, push I do a die, clock chip for cho,
cho.
My time, man.
Easy now, man. Big shout out to Skippa, bro. Skippa next up. I ain't gonna lie, Skippa one of my favorite out here, man. One of my favorite artists out here right now. New and up and coming artist. No joke, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Definitely one of my favorite new up and coming artists, bro. And Skippa doesn't even stay up on his grind. Stay on the thing, stay on this grind, stay on the flow, bro. Keep moving and keep, you know what I'm saying? And he's gonna go far, bro. No cap, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. It's no cap, bro. And his chop song them is more believable, bro. You feel me? Like, that's the way I'm doing music. You feel me? Just the way he do his music, his songs, his verses, his beat, everything that he be saying, just give him the overall belief. Like, yeah, like I believe if he like him a chopper, you see me, like he talk it more believable by most of these niggas. You know what I'm saying? Man say I scamming over music, you know. You have to go to, I know say you're secure with the chopping and I make money off of that. You can say a statement like that. You see me? Yeah, man, Skippa was a try thing and swear God and he say, yo, you know, if you don't go, man can jump back on his scammy thing. So shout out to Skippa, man. I feel like he's one of the few ones that's actually true in his raps. You know what I'm saying? In his song and actually. You see me, he carried the whole persona well and I do him thing, man. So yeah, man, he's one of my favorite new up and coming artists. We're keeping a close eye on him, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be reacting to his music and his career and all that good stuff, man. I feel like Skippa is next up, gang. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, but I feel like Skippa is next up. and can't stay asleep, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna be checking out Skippa, man. Skippa, all I'm tuning them on videos that he's gonna be dropping and moving forward, interviews, all that good stuff. So just let me know if y'all want it, gang. Make sure y'all try and join the Discord as well, so you can talk to me directly, send me requests, all that good stuff, gang. And we lit, man. You know what I'm saying? Road to 10K, road to 100K, road to 1 million and beyond. You know, no, we're not stopping. We keep moving and grooving. You already know what time it is, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here another banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.